Hello, this is Tom from Motton Technology. Let me introduce my new product, Triangle Toolbox. This toolbox is typically used in the garden, backyard garden for your garden tool storage. We have the three-layer shelf supported by the rack in the corner and also the hanger in the front. This box is 100% made of galvanized steel plus the powder coating. So it can be used in the outdoor environment for more than 15 years. Because it's made of steel, it's very strong and heavy to, to resist the wind and also the snow and also good waterproof. Compared to the wooden box, the steel box has stable performance over time. So if you use wooden box, maybe your door cannot be opened after 2 years. But for the steel box, it can be opened anytime for any duration. Okay. The door has a lock, so that means you can lock your stuff if you want. And equipped with the roller, with the breaker, so you can move anywhere you want. So you see, it's very beautiful, right? So the shape and the color and the size can also be customized. If you are interested with a Motton product, you can contact us anytime. Thank you.